Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Rachel and today I'll be talking about Fashion Revolution Week. So Fashion Revolution Week this year is April 23rd to 29th, 2018. It was started 5 years ago by fashionrevolution.org in response to the Rana Plaza factory disaster. If you haven't heard of it, it's basically one of the worst garment factory disasters in history. It happened in Bangladesh. A garment factory collapsed, killing over 1,100 people and injuring 2,500 others. Fashion Revolution was born out of this disaster to demand greater transparency in supply chains from major brands and safer working conditions for the workers. You're probably familiar with Fashion Revolution's major campaign, the Who Made My Clothes. During Fashion Revolution Week, you post a picture on social media of your clothing brand and calling the brand out on social media, asking them, who made my clothes? I think that's what they're most known for, but they also throw big events at cities all over the world, and the movement has steadily grown and grown each year that it's been in place. So just as an example, last year in 2017, there were 2 million people engaged with the Fashion Revolution website. 66,000 people attended over 1,000 events around the world during Fashion Revolution Week. There were 533 million impressions of the Who Made My Clothes hashtag. All of this is starting to have impact on the fashion industry. Last year, Fashion Revolution reported that over 2,400 brands responded to the question, who made my clothes? Over 1,000 of those were mainstream brands. So I think that's really hopeful and it's definitely positive change in the right direction. So if you check out Fashion Revolution's website, they have a number of ways that you can get involved for Fashion Revolution Week. I think the easiest and most popular way is to post a picture of yourself on social media asking your favorite brand who made your clothes. Be sure to tag the brand so they respond. You can also write a letter to a brand or send a postcard to a policymaker. There are templates for both on the website. You can create a love story about your favorite item of clothing or an alternative video showing how you stay in style without buying new. For example, thrifting or going to a clothing swap, mending or repairing. Those are all examples of alternatives. Or you can also head to an event in your own city. And also on the Fashion Revolution website, they have worldwide events. So search for your country or city and chances are there's an event happening near you. I hope this video is informative. I just want to share the important work Fashion Revolution does and how we can all take part calling for a fairer and better fashion industry, especially for the workers that make our clothing. I will be posting on social media and asking some brands who made my clothes next week. I also hope to be volunteering at a big clothing swap here in Toronto hosted by Fashion Takes Action and Global Fashion Exchange. Let me know in the comments down below what your plans are for Fashion Revolution Week. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.